So here I am going to make a face massager. For that I will use this marker. I will remove the refill and we only need this case, and I will make two spikes on one of its end. To stick this rubber ball, it's quite spongy, hence it will give a smooth touch. I will make some holes to put the spikes in. Here we go. Now I will make a cut to put the vibrator inside. I am using a mobile vibrator which is small and works nicely. A charging module and a battery, this is all we need. I will connect the battery to one of its end and the vibrator will be at the other end, which we call load in electronics. Now I will cut a rectangle hole to put these components inside. I will stick the circuit on its place. and after placing the components it's ready to work. Still you can't see the working, so I will do an experiment to show you the vibration. So as you can see the particles moving when I put the vibrator in water. It's relaxing and feels good. Now I will put a rubber grip. For that I am using this balloon. Will hold the ball on its place and also will make it look good. Now I will try doing my face massage. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.